I don't have respect for anyone that can't look me dead in my face and tell me they don't like me. You don't even have to be rude about it. All you have to do is say, I don't like your energy. I don't like something that you did, something that you said. You're not my cup of tea. You're not my vibe. I'm okay with that. I know I have a strong personality. I know I'm not for everyone. And if you don't like me, all you have to do is say that. But what you're not going to do is be in my presence and play in my face. We're in a group of people and I'm asking you a question. I'm getting the silent treatment. Being passive aggressive towards me, speaking to me through other people. Instead of you just being honest and having a conversation with me and saying, you know what, I don't really like you like that, or we were cool, but now I feel a type of way. And 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to confront a person like this. I'm not going to give you the satisfaction of me coming up to you and saying, hey, what's wrong? What's the problem? I've been noticing this. I'm not giving you that. And if you do decide to ask what the issue is, all of a sudden, either there's no problem, they don't know what you're talking about, they don't have an issue with you, or you're the problem. Oh, you're the one with the problem with me, when the whole time they were the one that was acting funny. This is honestly why I keep my circle small and why I don't call everybody my friend.